Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with the lowest spread and commission fees. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Low spread Forex brokers are Forex brokers with low costs and spreads compared to the industry. Low spread Forex brokers allow traders to reduce their trading costs. The best low spread Forex brokers offer spreads from as low as 0.0 pips on the euro to US dollar and no commissions. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with the lowest spread and commission fees can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with the lowest spread and commission fees. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, Indices, Commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. At number 4 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000 with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, Prime, and Professional accounts with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. At number 2 on our list is ETX Capital. ETX Capital is one of UK's leading spread betting providers and offers excellent educational resources for beginner traders, specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are provided on ETX's proprietary trading platform known as ETX Trader Pro, which can be fully customized to each trader's preference, has over 60 technical indicators, plenty of tools for analytical purposes and chart trading, with web versions and mobile versions available. Traders can also use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform with a desktop and mobile version. ETX Capital offers 2 types of trading accounts, consisting of a standard account and a professional account. Either account can be opened specific to the chosen trading platform, causing account conditions to vary. Premium clients will have priority access to the broker's operational team to help you with any funding or withdrawal issues and same-day withdrawals. ETX Capital offers an educational section with several webinars, ebooks, as well as platform guides and courses. Some ebooks and platform guides are in the form of videos, and there are 8 Forex courses available for download. The broker also offers research options like a trading glossary section on the website, as well as research and analysis, which are provided on commodities, cryptocurrencies, Forex, indices, market events, and shares, for you to browse through at any time if you are looking for any additional educational content with ETX Capital. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with the lowest spread and commission fees, we have City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering indices, shares, Forex, cryptos, and commodities. featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate accounts, Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with the lowest spread and commission fees on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.